Hi folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a Pearson product moment correlation coefficient using JASP. First open up JASP. When JASP opens, go to the upper left corner where it says show main menu, go to open, data library, and we're going to select regression. Under regression, we're going to go down and choose Big 5 personality traits since JASP indicates that this demonstrates use of a Pearson's correlation. When the file opens up, we become familiar with the data. You can see that we have different variables, such as the Big 5 personality traits, such as neuroticism, extroversion, openness, agreeableness, and conscientiousness. When we run the actual analysis itself, however, we're only going to use a bivariate correlation since, remember, correlation only involves two variables, one predictor or X variable and one criterion or Y variable. To perform the actual correlation, we're going to go to where it says regression, we're going to choose correlation, and we're going to pick any two of these variables that we want. So let's say we're interested in neuroticism and extroversion. If we click those two variables and move them over to the right in the variables box, you can see we have the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient correctly there. And when we run these values themselves, we see that we get these dashes going through the table. And that's because if you were to match neuroticism with neuroticism, you would see that it's roughly the same since they're the same numbers. And similarly, extroversion with extroversion are the same numbers, hence why it doesn't provide you with those correlation values in that case. But if you were to look at a person's value, and we saw extroversion matched or correlated with neuroticism, you would see that the p-value is less than 0.05, which is a statistically significant value. And the Pearson product moment correlation, the effect size, is negative 0.350, which is considered a moderate effect according to Cohen standards. Now, in terms of ordering these particular data, importantly, notice how the data is organized. The data is organized as such where you have each column represents a variable. So remember, columns represent variables, rows represent participants. And so the first participant's data for neuroticism, extroversion, openness, agreeableness, and conscientiousness, these are all that person's data. So that way when you run this product moment correlation analysis with JASP, it comes out and gives you the data without any frills. So I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you all in the next one.